Today we're going to be looking at this COLAMY crisscross chair. I can't crisscross because I'm not a small human, but I'm sure someone smaller could. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, give you tips on how to put it together, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are going to have the back, the seat, the swivel and adjuster, the piston, and the legs. The legs are already put together, so that's really nice. And then they include the hardware as well as a T-wrench, which I love, and the instruction manual. The first step is to insert this into the base, just like so. Next, we're gonna put this onto the bottom of the seat, aligning the front arrows the way that they're shown here. I love that they include a T-wrench style Allen wrench. This makes it so much easier to screw these in. This part is a little bit more challenging. You have to put the back screws, those two, in first, and then kind of rock it from side to side and front to back until you can get one of the front ones to reach, then tighten them all down. Next, we need to put this on there. Calvin wanted to see what was going on. Now it's a chair. It was fairly easy to assemble. Yeah. It only took, what, 10 minutes, maybe? 10 minutes max. Whee! The height of this chair does adjust up and down. When I have it high, on the highest setting, my feet don't even touch the ground. They kind of just dangle a little bit because the seat is so large that you're set back so far that the back of my knees are on the front of the chair. This chair does not have any arms, but it does have a very wide width, so it's really unnecessary to have arms, in my opinion, on this type of chair. It's designed as a crisscross chair, so you can sit with your legs like crisscross like this on it. If I had to make one improvement to this chair, it would be to add casters on the bottom. Other than that, it's comfortable, it spins around, it goes up and down, and you literally have enough room to crisscross your legs on it.